Hello beautiful people, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm getting out of Ukraine, so it was in the daytime all good, but then there's reports that the airports might close, so flying out today. We're going to still jump into the charts of Bitcoin. It's very weird. I've kind of become, as I've been traveling the world, a little bit like a travel reporter while I'm making videos on Bitcoin. I was in the mountains of Machu Picchu, and now here, very interesting. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict where it's going to go. Hit the subscribe button, join nearly 70,000 subscribers. Smash up the thumbs up button if you would like to. Let's get thousands of likes on this video. And if you guys have been on this channel for the last more than 1 year, if you might remember Dr. Jivan, who's here with me as well. He's also flying out in Ukraine, which is cool. Dr. Jivan was with me in the villa. So let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. So now we're going to technicals for Bitcoin. Blue trend line, 2 years old. Bitcoin is still holding on here. We're on a major support line. This was a support back in January 2021. This is support, huge support where we're sitting right now. And to be honest, if it wasn't for this massive support, I think Bitcoin would have dumped like crazy on this war of potential war news between Russia and Ukraine. I think the markets, like the stock markets, would have dropped considerably, and I still think they might. But right now we're sitting on one of the largest areas of support here at this 42k. Again, look at these support lines, multiple touches on this line where we're sitting right now, and that's the only reason Bitcoin hasn't dumped super strong down to the 35,000 in my opinion. Stochastic is heading down. We have a lot of volume in here, huge volume. Now the war news is pretty bad for most markets. Bitcoin, however, might not be. Why? Because 18% of the population of Ukraine, they're the biggest holders of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, the biggest holders percentage-wise in the world of all countries. So if there is potential for war, I do believe a lot of people will move out of the Ukraine hryvnia and into Bitcoin. So that will also put a lot of buying pressure on Bitcoin in one quick go. A lot of people will be fearful, but most will be moving into Bitcoin for safety, in my opinion. So I do believe this area should be holding. If not, 35k will be the target. So let's see what's going to happen. Stochastic is trying to head up, volume coming in. We've also got the Super Bowl, and many ads are going to play about cryptocurrency. We've got FTX exchange making ads. A lot of different ads are going to play for the Super Bowl. EMA ribbons, we're inside the EMA ribbons. They're tightening, they're trying to turn to the downside. VPVR, as you can see, we're on the strongest area of support. This red line is the strongest area of support. The only thing holding Bitcoin up, plus the Super Bowl ads, in my opinion. Stochastic is heading down, but quite oversold. Squeeze mob is going to the red side, and money flow index is showing that money is starting to flow out of Bitcoin, but just slightly. So I do believe going to the Super Bowl, we might get a pump for the next few hours. But again, we're going to hit this major area of resistance at the 43,000. Now, the only thing is, I would be going long here on this major support, and I do believe this support will hold. The only thing, again, because of this war news, it can really go either way. We're forming a reverse head and shoulders, shoulder, head, and a shoulder forming. If that can play out, that's huge for Bitcoin, and we could be going really far up. We would target, if this plays out, this reverse head and shoulders would take us to around, let's check where it's going to take us. We could be heading up for a huge movement to Bitcoin back towards $52,000. I have a long open position on Bitcoin right now, and I might add more to it. On the hourly, the stochastic is heading down, oversold. And on the hourly, we have the opposite. We have a reverse, we have a normal head and shoulders, which is a bearish pattern. We have shoulder, head, and shoulder on the hourly. So again, we could possibly get a drop here. And it's very iffy with markets going to war, like with potential war news and things like this. So on the hourly here, we have the head and shoulder formation, a bearish pattern, mean go down. But on the 4 hourly, we have the opposite. We have a reverse head and shoulder, a larger one, like that, to go up. So I'd love your opinion. Here is a kind of dangerous area to be trading, but again, we're on a major support line where we're sitting. So usually on a major support line, we expect quite a strong bounce. So I'm going to show you my trades that I have open. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under this video, you smash up the thumbs up button. Let's get thousands of likes. If I've helped you make money in the markets, hit this thumbs up button, everyone. This one here, let's get 1,000 likes. Hit the subscribe button, join 69,000, almost 70,000 subscribers. Click the join button to follow my trades. I'm making Bitcoin, stocks, crypto. If you want to trade using the software I do, Bitcoin Trading Bybit, this link down below, you get a sign up bonus of 4,100 USD when you sign up to Bybit. It is the best exchange. This is the one I use. When you go down there under the video, you click this link, You sign up bonus 4,100 USD when you deposit Bitcoin, and you get this software. This is the software I'm using. So I've got $104,200 in here. It dropped around $1,500 today, 2.47 Bitcoin. We've got $60,000 of Bitcoin. Bit, we've got $21,000 of Bit. Cake around 12,200. The market pulling back on this news with Ukraine and Russia, and my Bitcoin trade was up $100, now sitting at $44. So it's quite a small trade, 8%, but I'm going to add more to this trade because we are again on a major area of support. So I'm going to add another $500 to this trade, just a small one, but $500 with 10x leverage. I'm going to make it a market order, meaning so I'm adding another 500, open. So that trade now is a $1,000 trade, but it's 10x leverage. So it's around $10,368 of Bitcoin. That trade is open. My take profit is 46,000. My stop loss is 40,647. So those are my trades. That's what I think is happening in Bitcoin. I'm getting out of Ukraine just because the Australian government recommended everyone get out and the airports might be closing. So I'll keep you updated as it progresses. Hit the subscribe button, smash the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.